Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another week, and I'm back at Aldi. I have my grocery shopping list for a week of meals. And don't forget, after I get in and get the goods, I'm going to share with you my meal plan at the end. Let's go. My girls have really been enjoying crackers and cheese, so I need more of these. Wheat rounds, $2.49. All of my kids, wait, not the wheat ones. What am I thinking? The vegetable ones. Hello. All my kids love these ones, $2.49. And I do agree, they're the best. We are having nachos for dinner one night this week, so I'm gonna get the little dippers. I feel like items sit in the chips well and bake really nicely. They're $1.95. $4.49 for brioche rolls for the smash burgers that my husband's making. Okay, I'm gonna get a baguette. I'm making bruschetta for my in-laws' house later this week. We're having another birthday dinner, and she's making an Italian feast, and my daughter asked if we could bring bruschetta, so I need toasted baguette for that, $1.49. The watermelon is really good this week, so I'm getting another one at $4.65. That guy. Okay, back to mini cucumbers, $1.89. Just haven't bought them in a while. My older daughter asked me to get this kind of lettuce for the sliders, so $1.89. But apparently it's better as a topping. And the funny thing is they don't even have romaine this week, which was on my list, but I guess we'll pass that up. I don't know why, but there's Disney music blaring from that speaker, so if you hear that, sorry. I need carrots, 2 pounds for $1.49. I'm gonna use this in soups and just to eat. $2.63 for a gallon of 2% milk, just running low. And they don't have heavy cream, which I needed, or do they? Oh, they do, yay! Woohoo! $5.39. We are low on butter, which is a normal thing. We use a lot of butter. So I need the spread butter for $3.69. And I also need unsalted butter for $3.59. I'm making tomato soup and potato soup one night for dinner, and I need 7 cans of diced tomatoes at 92 cents a piece for the soup. I'm making potato soup and mashed potatoes, which of course calls for potatoes. Both of those are big contributors to taking all of my butter too. $4.49 for 10 pounds. My husband asked me to get sliced pickles for the sliders, and these look really good, but they're sweet. I would eat them, the sweet heat and the smoky barbecue, but he doesn't like sweetness with his pickles. Well, dang, they don't have black beans either, which I needed for the nachos, so I guess I'll have to get those at Meijer too. I'm getting green peppers just to munch on. Me and the kids like these, $1.85. I thought I missed the tomatoes, but they were back here. I need to get Roma for the bruschetta. They're 89 cents a pound. Anyone want to guess how many pounds this is? I'm going to say 2.1. Yay, they have regular dill ones. These were gone for so long. $2.35. Hubby will be happy. I also almost missed the croutons. When we made the salad for my friends last week and took croutons to them, my family was a little sad I didn't have any for them. So $1.25, but we need more for our salads. I did a pool party haul this weekend. I haven't shared it. You'll see that later in the week, but we bought 2 bags of these, only used 1. There's a few things that happened. So we're stocked on snacky things. Thanks to the giant pool party haul. But we do love these. The kids always go nuts for them, and they're $1.99. If you've never tried them, I highly recommend it. My husband asked me to get the Cinnamon Balance, basically the Life cereal. It's $2.15 a box. I'm gonna get 2 of them because after he said it, my kids are like, yes, get that. So I have a feeling this will not last long. Okay, well, I was coming to get more of the pink lemonade mix, but it's gone. So that was really good. It went over really well, both the yellow and the pink for pool guests. We're running low, so I was gonna get more, but they don't have it. The Aldi Finds area is pretty picked over up front too. There must be a lot of unpacking. They have the boho hanging chair that people used to go nuts for, $30, and there's lots of them. And these are just left over from the previous weeks. Sunday night, there's a lot of unpacking going on, so the aisles are a little hard to navigate. They have these nice clear crossbody bags, which if you go to stadiums, a lot of them require you to have clear bags like this. And I don't have one, so I think I'm going to pick this up just because we like to go places, and having something clear like this to put wallets in, it's just going to be nice to have on hand. I don't have a need for it, but for $5, when I have a need, I don't think I can find it for $5, but they have a lot of travel items here. This is actually quite tempting to me, these Towels, $5.99 is not a bad price for a towel. And ours are getting pretty old, but probably gonna let them be. These really cute Disney plushes. I used to love these types of plushes when I had babies. They're $9.99. Water hammocks, floating recliners, like a mat or a little chair, $6.99. Aqua balls. Oh, that's kind of cool. I wonder if these are meant to go in the water. Aqua grip. Yeah, I'm gonna get this for our pool. My daughters both love volleyball. I think this would be fun to have out there. $9.99. Okay, this is what I've been looking for. They're kids' Crocs. Now, the sandals were perfect with the sizing. I actually feel like this will be really good for my son. These ones, 2 to 3. I feel like these run kind of big, but I think this is the biggest size I'm going to be able to get. So I'm going to try this out. For $3.99, you really can't go wrong. I bought him some on Facebook Marketplace that are a little big, so if I can switch them out for these for the summer, I'll save those big ones for later. I also think these reusable ice packs look really nice. I do not have a price on them, but I like that they have different sizes, and really thin ones could be great for packing to go to the beach. My daughters want nice soap for their bathroom. They like the foaming, smell good kind. So I'm gonna try this for $2.35. I would love if this was in the Aldi aisle regularly. I haven't noticed it before, but for $2.35, I'm happy to put it in their bathroom. So we'll go with chamomile and bergamot. Okay, so I'm gonna get this for my husband to make beef patties with, because these are much bigger packs than what he wants, and it's on sale for $3.99. So it's $85.15. He did ask for $80.20, but I think he'll be fine with this. What in the world? We're running low on sugar. Not gonna get it today, I guess. I'm making chicken gravy. I have shredded chicken that I'll put into a gravy mix, but I need chicken broth for that. $1.45. I need garlic, $2.29. I'm also gonna get regular garlic at Meijer. I need chicken gravy mix, but my Aldi only sells it in the winter time, like a holiday thing. Is anyone else's Aldi that way? Well, this is a bummer. I needed more plain sparkling. They don't have any of them. I'm in the middle of a longer fast, and I love the unflavored ones while I'm doing that. So I guess I'll get one of these instead. $4.79 for 6 of them. Okay, so we have all of the yummy frozen items. Snickers, M&M's, Strawberry Swirl, Klondike. These were a big hit, so I'm gonna get them again because I know my family really likes them. $3.99. And by family, I mean my husband ate most of them, I think. He's the one I gotta keep the happiest, right? They have the white chocolate caramel cones and fudge-filled cones. They have these frozen lemonade bars. Everything's about $3 to $4 for this stuff. They have a Dutch apple pie from Sara Lee. I see they still have the onion rings. Oh, tater barrels loaded over there. Those look pretty good. $3.99. But I'd be the only one in my family that's excited about those. Different vegetables, sautés. They still have those, the German ones. $3.29 for the hash brown sticks. Manicotti and stuffed shells. I would love this as a regular meal, but my family will not eat it. They like cheese, they like pasta, but they won't eat raviolis like that, which I don't understand. Different wood-fired pizzas. More teasy ravioli things. Oh, okay, so these are like individual meals. Okay, that looks pretty good. Enchilada bowls, $3.49. Easy peel shrimp, $13.99. Snow crab legs, $16.99. It looks like they sold out of that, but they do have cod. And then lots of different chicken breasts and chicken tenders down here. We are going to get the Smile salsa for the nachos, $2.49. And I'm going to get, oh wait, I Gotta dig for it, but we like the Southwest for the nachos as well. $2.99 for these. Okay, my kids have been disappointed. We haven't had this around, so I'm actually gonna get 2 bags of it for $2.89. They love the Mexican finely shredded stuff. I'm also going to get a sharp cheddar for $1.75. And there it is, pepper jack, also $1.75 for the crackers. Easy addition to lunches. Fruits, veggies, crackers, cheese, go for it. And then also I'm gonna get mild cheddar for $1.65 for the smash burgers. Okay, I thought these were gonna be cheaper, but they're not. $3.39 for potato puffs. What? 32 ounces. And these are 32 ounces? Okay, never mind. They're not having potato puffs. They're having seasoned fries. There's no reason to pay 90 cents more for the same amount. And then I'm getting the extra fine green beans for the mashed potato meal, $2.29. Waffles for $1.99. These have been a hit in the morning, especially with my son. Okay, $5.59. My husband asked me to get this. I'm glad to see it's a little less than it has been lately. And that's for vanilla ice cream. And then my daughter Elsie asked me to get these. $2.85. I'm tempted to get my tried and true because you know I love this stuff, but I'm gonna try this pink Moscato when we go to my in-laws for pasta night. I thought that'd be yummy. $4.95. It's new and it's priced right, so I'll try this. Honestly, I don't even know how this price compares, but I used to love Team Cheerios, and with the Olympics coming out, I actually thought this would be fun to get for my son who used to love eating Cheerios. I'm kind of interested to see if he'll like it, but it's berries. I think he'll like these with frosted Cheerios, regular Cheerios, berry flavors. $4.93. Probably see them on sale at Meijer, but I don't know. Okay, I'm not getting these. They don't look good to me because they remind me of a cereal I had when I was a kid, and they called it like a treasure of some sort. I don't remember. I didn't like them. But is anyone else, you know, I'm 37, anyone else my time frame remember a loaded cereal like this that was kind of treasury, that was disgusting? That's what that reminds me of. Okay, so our review of this cookie is, it was all right, but not as good as Loft House. We ended up putting them in the pool party and let the kids eat them. I wouldn't buy them again, but I'd eat these again. I just found these misplaced here. I don't know the price. I'll scan these first and try to show you the price, but they sound so good to me, and I love their last hummus crisps, so I'm gonna get them. But that is the last thing I'm getting. Here's my cart full of lots of things I didn't plan to get, but I'm excited. And any guess on my total? We're heading to Meijer after this. $2.19. I'm keeping them. Okay, so it's 2.33 pounds of Roma tomatoes, and we're done now. And my total is $142.45, and let's go to Meijer. Okay, I'm going to Meijer to get a few items that Aldi was out of, and garlic, and then also a pair of sandals. Meijer keeps rocking it with the fruit prices, so I'm gonna get 4 more things of blackberries because my whole family loves them. They're on sale for $5. I thought they also had strawberries, but it looks like they're sold out of them. They were $1, I think $1.50 a pound, but a lot of times they're here by the blackberries. I guess I moved too late. Okay, garlic 69 cents each. I like getting my garlic at Meijer instead of Aldi. Get these big giant bulbs. And it's honestly a better price. I guess it ends up being a better value. It's about the same price to get 3 of these as 3 bulbs at Meijer or at Aldi. Although right now there's not a ton to choose from, so. Okay, I kept digging. I found 3 pretty decent ones, so I'll get these at 69 cents a piece. My friend Karen, and she swears that these are the best flavor. I personally love salt and pepper pistachios, but I'm gonna get these $5.99. 89 cents, same price as Aldi, so that's good. I'm gonna get 4 cans of black beans. Ooh, and they have the pop top. Actually, I'm gonna get 5. 89 cents a piece. I was nervous for a second. It didn't look like they had much sugar here either. $3.25 getting a 4-pound bag of sugar. Okay, I'm gonna get this. It's on clearance for $1.32, and my husband wanted me to get cereal this week, so we'll give this a whirl. Cherry and blue raspberry. Okay, I was debating these. I saw them in the ad, but they're not even on sale. That's the normal price, and I just am not in love seeing them in person. But here's my basket. Any guess on the total? Okay, I spent $22.08 at Meijer. Now let's see the meal plan. Okay, so Monday we are having smash burgers. I don't know for sure it's gonna be Monday. Basically whatever night here that my husband wants to make them. We're also gonna have tater tots with that. Nachos we'll have, and probably watermelon with that. My kids asked for Little Caesars pizza. We'll also have salads with that. Thursday, it's gonna be mashed potatoes, chicken gravy, and green beans. I take those frozen green beans and I steam them, and then I will saute them with butter garlic. Friday, we're going to my in-laws. They're making a pasta type dinner, and I'm bringing the wine for myself, and then also a bruschetta. That's gonna be our contribution. It's for my sister-in-law's birthday. Saturday, my husband and I are gonna sneak away for a little day date. And then finally on Sunday, my middle daughter Elsie, she had a request of potato soup, and then my older daughter said, no, how about tomato soup? And I'm gonna make both of them. Everyone can have what they want, and then we'll have the soups for lunch. As much as my kids are picky eaters, one thing that I'm grateful for is that they absolutely love soups. And if you wanna see the tomato soup that I make, that is a family favorite, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.